Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited today because I'm finally filming my iPad unboxing. Let me move out of this area. Anyway, so I'm really excited to film today's video because I'm showing you my new iPad Pro. I've been really excited about this and I haven't said anything about it yet because I really wanted to do this video. And I kind of lied. This isn't like the first time I'm opening this. As you can see here, this was gifted to me by my boyfriend and he surprised me with it. Low-key surprise, I knew about it, but I didn't know it was coming this day. So he surprised me with it, and I had opened it about a week ago, I want to say. And I have been really gentle with it because I wanted to show you guys everything that it comes with and just like everything about it. So yeah, I'm gonna get into more of the iPad. If you're new here, hello, my name is Ify. I do videos on lifestyle, fashion, travel, just anything that's really in my life. I also like to shop a lot, so it's just a lot of videos of me buying, receiving, and showing products that I really like. In regards to like lifestyle and everything, I am a college graduate. I'm working full-time, and there's a lot of things that are happening in my life that I would just like to share with everyone. So yes, please subscribe if you haven't. Stick around for the rest of this video because it's gonna be fun, and let's get into it. Okay, so when I got the iPad, it came in a wonderful box like this. I'm sure you've seen this box before. It was really light. Actually, this one, if I didn't say it before, this is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 4th generation. I got 128 gig. Trying to get all that space, and I think this is the lowest one you could pick actually, and it's just Wi-Fi, does not have data or anything. So yeah, so you get it in a box like this, and I also ordered a Apple Pencil with it, and this is a 2nd generation, and it is a magnetic pencil to the iPad, which you'll see in a little bit. And it also comes with AirPods, so if you didn't know that, if you want to buy it, I think they're doing some kind of sale or something, because that usually isn't the case, or I don't think it was ever the case, but you do get AirPods with it. You have a choice of getting, I believe, the 2nd generation or 3rd generation. If you get the 2nd generation AirPods, it is free with your iPad. If you get the 3rd generation or the newest AirPods that are out, it's $90. So actually I was gonna get that for my boyfriend for his birthday, so I just decided while he was ordering it for me that I would get him the 3rd generation AirPods because that's what he wanted for his birthday. So that's what I ended up doing. But so that's why I don't have AirPods, but I'm not really, I want AirPods, don't get me wrong, but I'm not like in a huge rush, so I was just gonna get my AirPods later. Look who called. Say hi. So when you get it, it comes in something like this, like a clear wrapping. It has this little piece of paper which you can pull, and voila, you'll see the back of it. There's also this like really dope camera. I don't really know the specs of this camera, but I already know it's gonna be clear. You take this little wrapping off, and here is the iPad. So obviously, like any other Apple product, once you turn it on, it has some settings for you. I've already gone through and did that. I'll put that on the screen just in case you're not familiar with it. But this is just the generic background that it comes with. There's an on button here. That's how I'm like turning it on and off. Per usual, you have your volume buttons here. Then this area is for the magnetic pencil to, you know, come onto it, and then this down here is a speaker. It has a USB-C. I believe it's a little bit thicker, but yeah, this is how the actual iPad looks like. And this is 12.9 inches, so it's pretty big. It's like a piece of paper. This is how it is in ratio to my face. For the rest of the box, it comes with the standard Apple stuff. Okay, it's this way. It comes with this little information packet, and it gives you some more details on the iPad. Then it also comes with these little stickers, which I'm not gonna use, but if you want to, just know that it comes in here. Then, oh my God. Then In here comes your charger and the wire that goes with the charger. This is a little different. It's kind of shaped differently than I think the old ones, I believe, but I'm just gonna take off this wrapping. This is it here. I actually have not used a charger. If you have a MacBook Pro, you can use your charger for this. That's what I've been using. I don't know if that's good or not, but you can use it. So you take it out, and then it has this. From here, it has a little information packet as well. You can take out the information if you want in this little packet here. And then here is the pencil. It had a little plastic wrap, I believe, which I took off, and it literally feels like a regular pencil that you write on. It has like a tip here, and it's magnetic, and you can feel it here. It has a magnetic touch to the actual iPad. So now we're gonna kind of use these things together and see how they work and everything. But before that, I'm just gonna show you a few items that I bought to support the iPad. It is very clean and I didn't want to ruin it or touch it. So I did get a nice case to go with it. And then I also got a screen protector, which I am actually gonna install right now. To go with these things to make sure it's like clean and just safe and protected, because it's so light and fragile. I didn't want to break it. So, but okay, so I got this case from Amazon. It's kind of flimsy. It's not like super hard or anything, and it's pink. They don't really have that many colors and a lot of selection or options, but I got this one, and it has like a little magnetic backing so that you can kind of fold this. Yes. Am I doing this right? Yeah. You can kind of fold it and it's a stand. Yes, and it leans back like this. So I got this little case from Amazon as well. So I'm gonna take my iPad. Before I do that, let's put on the screen protector because I feel like that's gonna be a huge thing. Okay, so I have this for my screen protector, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my iPad. This was also on Amazon. I think it was about $12. I'm saying everything's $12. I don't remember, but I will link everything below. And I know the air bubbles are there, but you can kind of see the screen is like mattified now. It's just really clean, and you won't see those sticky fingerprints everywhere. So I love this. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna put it into my case here, and it fits perfectly. There's not a lot of struggle. I'm struggling, but that is totally due to me. And
I don't understand. I am struggle.
Oh.
Well, I could search the web for it.
Siri doesn't understand I am struggle. She doesn't understand me. Okay, so now this is how it looks with the case on it. I'm really happy because I got that done. And now if I just want to attach the pencil, I just go, I was like, where is it again? I just go like this, and it connects automatically. This is not fail proof. It will fall sometimes. So if you are very clumsy and you tend to drop things a lot, this will fall a lot. Okay, so let's get into the iPad and just a little bit about the apps that are in this fabulous device. Okay, so now we're into the iPad, and you can see how it comes. You can just tap here and slide for anything. It's really easy to use. The camera quality, I wanted to show you guys. This is me filming. You can see how clear it is. If I go to the camera, you can also see how clear it is. It's very clear, and this does not do it enough justice. but it's super clear. I can see everything. I can take a picture of this and show you guys how it turns out. And then it comes with your standard Apple apps and features. It has the same kind of bar like a phone does. I've been using Instagram and my camera and FaceTime recently, so that's why it's there. There are a few apps that I was very excited to download now that I had an iPad, which is Procreate. I really want to start getting into design. So this is a fabulous app for those who are getting into design. Because I think it just makes it so easy. I'm not like a graphic artist. I didn't study it in school and I don't practice, but it just makes it really easy. There's one thing I made just the other day and I thought it was really cute. It was super easy to make something and draw around with it. You can just play. You can also do this in notes, which I found is really cool. I'm gonna open something and I can say, hi, YouTube. So it's like little notes that you can take in class. I heart you. GoodNote is another app that I've been really loving on here. I just downloaded it the other day, or GoodNotes. So this is a app for taking notes. I'm just gonna skip all that, but once you download the app, you can see you can start a document or a notebook. I can just choose a simple notebook, or they have all these different types of notebooks I can choose from. This looks really cute. I can create that with squared paper, and now I can get into drawing and all that good stuff, and choosing colors, brush size. I love the highlighter tool. So if I wrote biology and I wanted to highlight that, I would just run over it and then it would go right underneath it. So I just think that is so cool. So you can practically use any app on here. I have anything from TikTok to Instagram to YouTube. It's really nice just to watch YouTube videos, scroll through everything. On this, it can sync up to your laptop or anything else you're using. You can also do dual screen. I'll leave some links on that. I have a lot of my editing apps on here, like Retouch. I also have Teza. Things like Instagram are a little bit bigger. It looks really tiny if you don't enlarge the photo, but it's still really nice, just the same kind of thing. So I really love that. TikTok looks the same way. Okay, so I want to say that is mainly it for my iPad. I'm really loving it. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you have one, let's just, you know, have an iPad party together. I don't know. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it showed you kind of what the hype is about this iPad. And I love how light it is. It literally feels like a very small notebook, and I think it's even lighter than the one before it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. If you haven't checked out my other ones, like my apartment tour, please go do that, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.